Programming languages serve as the vital link between humans and computers, enabling us to convey complex instructions. They are categorized into distinct types depending on their intricacies and intended purposes. Low-level languages, such as machine and assembly, provide hands-on control over hardware, yet require significant effort to master due to their complexity. In contrast, high-level languages simplify programming by abstracting away hardware specifics. Procedural languages outline clear steps for task execution, whereas object-oriented languages facilitate the construction of intricate programs through data modeling. Scripting languages offer convenience for automating tasks, while functional languages focus on the desired outputs, rather than the procedures to achieve them. Moreover, domain-specific languages cater to particular fields, enhancing efficiency, and markup languages structure data presentation. The landscape of programming languages reflects both the challenges and creativity inherent in software development, evolving consistently to meet diverse needs.